man. We got my boy Skimbo on our
wire, man.
Y'all. Big dog, what's up? Yes, sir. What it do? It's your boy P92 Swervo 2 times, and I'm back with another video. Hold on, y'all see what I'm in? I'm not in the scat. Not in the scat, man. The scat is out for this week. We on our way to a car show with.
I'm making that his face.
Yeah, I'm swerving in the RT today, man. Let's get it. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this joint just get louder and louder the more I'm in it. Like, you like that?
Yes.
Let me spin it.
What? You already did.
Huh?
You already did.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do too much, man. They said the boys out today, man. But yeah, we about to head to the car show, about to see what's going on. We kind of pulled up a little late. We should have been there, but hey, we ain't entering the car. We entering this car in the show?
Probably not.
Okay. Yeah, we ain't entering no car in no show, so it's like, yeah, whatever. We'll be up there in about 20 minutes. So I was. Oh shit, we got an edge control, y'all.
Shut up.
I'm telling everybody. Don't tell nobody though. No, this between the state. This between us, man. It's between us.
Oh well. Want me to hold it?
Huh? I thought it was supposed to be him. But yeah, man, y'all see, we in the RT. And I'll see y'all once we get to the show. You got anything to say before I head out?
Go check out our couple channel. Subscribe.
Oh yeah, go subscribe to our couple channel. What is it?
Swerve and Tay.
Swerve and Tay. How you spell that?
SWERVE _N space TAYYY 3 Y's. Ooh. Play too much.
Huh?
Play too much. I don't like it when I'm in the passenger seat. I do it when I'm driving.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, we gonna see y'all. We got some pressure out here. I already know, man. This is Skimbo car, actually. Very nasty. Y'all see it, man. I think that's corporate. Pressure out here, man. AB with the nasty rap, man. Oh, man. My boy called me over here. See what it sounded like, man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro, man.
Gotta get you a bass demo going, man.
DJ Rustical.
I had to say that one for somebody proper, man. I had to get another Chicago YouTuber one, man. I had to say this for you. Peace and bass, y'all.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all subscribe.
It locks you in. You gotta unlock yourself. That's all.
You gotta unlock. Wait.
Oh yeah, at the front, right up at the top. My bad.
Oh, okay. Oh,
hey, and before you leave, shout out to your YouTube channel. Even though you know I'm
it's your boy Swervo 2 times, man. SWERVO2X, man. And put yours out there, man.
Big Veil 02, y'all.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy for all them bass heads out there, man. So, appreciate it, bro.
Man, nothing to it, man.
I'm gonna have to slide back over here.
Great stuff, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
Alright.
Oh man, had my ears going crazy, man. That joint hitting. pressure out here though. This is corporate car right here, and this is Skinbone car. If y'all know who this is on YouTube, you already know, man. Yes, sir. Skinbone out here. Y'all already know who this is, bro. We got Dane.
Put the edit in there so they know. They probably know once they hear the YouTube video.
You said what's that? Hey, Skinbone stole my rap, man. Nah, that's really nasty though, bro. That's really nasty. Yeah, we out here putting over for this. All right. This got better than mine? Hey. Yes, sir.
Look, you know, I'm with my man.
What up to the, say what up. Swerve Nation, man.
Say what's up, Swerve Nation.
Say what up.
He's shy. Yo, look, he's shy.
Say hey, Queen Tay.
Just take your time.
Say hey, Queen Tay. Give Queen Tay a fist bump.
Your fist bump. Yes, sir.
There you go.
You got it. Look,
Yeah, it's hot out here.
you shy. He's like, I don't know that like that.
You better ask Dane. Talk to Dane for it.
Look at Sean over there.
You know who Devin is? Is he new?
Contestant number 2.
How you feeling?
All right. Oh, he said, let me know.
No, I can't hear.
I thought I was tweaking.
Yeah, I can't hear.
I looked at that one. I said, no,
Nah.
bro. I hope bro didn't do that.
Nah.
Contestant number 3, y'all make some noise for contestant number 3. Alright. Y'all make some noise. Contestant number 4. Yeah. I think we got
Uh-oh. We got double trouble. We got double trouble. Double trouble. I can't be by y'all in the video.
What's going on?
I can't be by y'all.
You already know.
We got Lil Shoe. What up, Lil Shoe? What's up, man? What's up? He got the sunglasses on, you feel me?
Yeah, it's too cool.
We at BJ house.
Man, hey, we out here. We at my crib after this shit.
Uh-oh, we got Lamb Talk over there.
Good roast. You see my man's AB?
AB
AB
trying to come for my neck.
Look at him.
AB, stop trying to come for my neck, man.
I ain't coming, man.
Stop trying to come for my neck.
Trying to follow y'all. Hell no. You got him on camera. You got to show him.
Hey,
that's how it's made, man. The draw is the goddamn box matching the fit, or is the fit matching the goddamn box?
No, you tell me.
Boy, look at that man. That man can teach yoga, run a marathon, do some karate, man. This motherfucker cold as hell, boy. You can't
get your bro.
You can't fuck with that boy, man. That's my man's dog. That's my man's. That's my man. Pimpin' TV never dropping a dime. Use him, but at the same time, you really don't got to excuse him. He gonna be roasting motherfucker. They gonna nigga with a sombrero. Hey, you see that shit? Hey, that's that nigga. Daddy, man, they love the pimp out here, man.
Oh, man.
About this. I got a whole crazy ass follow with a nigga to give me free drinks, hot dogs, and shit. And then when I slap the girl on the ass, they don't say nothing. This is great. I love you too.
Alright, y'all. This is the aftermath of the show, man. Yeah, boo. Look, hey, look, you just went to show me for a Lambo of having a Lambo. Huracan.
I gotta finish filming, my man.
I'm finna get rolling footage, bro. Yeah, I'm finna get rolling footage. Yes, sir. You gone, bro? All right, bro. Alright, bro. We probably gonna be out. Alright. I'll call your phone. Just call me. Alright. Big Boo Jay in the car?
Nice smooth cut.
My boy.
Sir. Yeah, big land.
You coming next week, ain't you?
Yeah, I'll be here next week.
For sure. We all gonna wake up probably before we go up there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna probably y'all gonna be here for
Yes, sir. Y'all see Boots. She said what? Oh. Oh no. What's the word, man? I'm gonna get some of this rolling footage, bro.
They're trying to figure out now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of this rolling footage. Tay,
Yes.
I'm gonna get some of this rolling footage.
Okay, that's fine.
Look at this dude. Big dog, what's up? Yes, sir. Hey, turn your lights on. How you good? My boy! My boy!
Try to go to me, man. You're going downtown?
I'm thinking. What's up, bro?
Woo! Make this headache go away, bro.
Big dog, what's up, man?
Damn.
You get one?
Of course not.
What? Oh man.
We knew that already though. Shit.
Yeah, we already win it, man. You already know. They already know, bro.
We knew that already though.
They already know.
I don't know how I'm off some Volkswagens though, but you know they call Volkswagens.
Hey,
work.
it is what it is. Big C.
What's up, my baby? What's up, word?
See, boo. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Where your car at, bro?
I had to get a new barrel, bro.
Okay.
I'll be back down next week for Summer
Alright,
Jam.
man.
Yes, sir. Good see you. What's up, bro? How you feeling?
Good. I caught me a trophy.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, bro.
It's up in there.
Looking good back to back. My boy with the Kobe rap. Yeah, I see my boy.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Oh, bro, it was crazy, bro. It was people that definitely should have won. It was people that shouldn't have won, and people that but it's,
That's just
everybody got their own. Everybody got their own opinion, though.
Yeah. It's just that car shit at the end of the day.
Yeah, Mamba. Hey man, what you got?
My trophy.
You got your trophy?
Yeah.
Congratulations, my boy.
Thank you.
What up, y'all, man? Last night, bro, I don't know what was going on. I was just tired, and man, it was a lot going on last night. It was busting, though, most definitely was. Man, it was a lot of people that I seen, man, and Tay stayed out. I just went to the house. I was tired, y'all, and I don't know if y'all can tell in the video, but I was tired. But we back with a different day, but this is the same video. I'm putting this at the end. It's the outro. But I'm finna go hoop with the guys. I'm actually here right now, just pulled up. I'm probably gonna make a vlog hooping or something, you know, if I got a cameraman. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but maybe y'all know in the next video after this one. But yeah, man, it was lit last night. I hope the people that was there, if you watching this video, I hope you enjoyed, man. It was good seeing everybody. But yeah, guys, I'm wrapping up this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so y'all won't miss a video. Stay tuned, all that, man, because might have some things coming for y'all, man. But I'm out, man. Peace.
Take Perry on the track.